Hey there, Desk Director users. Are you having trouble logging in? Don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we'll walk you through the most common reasons why users can't log in to Desk Director and how to fix them. One common issue you might encounter is seeing an error message that says, "Sorry, your account appears inactive," or "couldn't find contact." To fix this, head over to ConnectWise and check the Disable Login option within the contact details. If it's set to true, simply toggle it back to false. This should reactivate the user's login access in Desk Director. Another issue you might encounter is when the user's ConnectWise password doesn't work in Desk Director. This can happen due to security requirements in ConnectWise. To solve this, we recommend resetting the user's password within the Desk Director admin console. This ensures they can log in using the Desk Director password, avoiding any future issues caused by changes in ConnectWise security settings. Lastly, some users might log in but can't see their tickets or submit new ones. This could be caused by duplicate contacts in your PSA. To resolve this, delete the duplicate contact from your PSA and clear the duplicate contact cache from your admin console. After doing this, the user should be able to log in without any issues. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team for further assistance. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most login issues in Desk Director. Remember, if you need any additional help, our support team is always here for you. Thanks for watching.